Best portable tire inflators. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share some amazing portable tire inflators that will keep you prepared and safe on the road. Getting a flat tire is always frustrating, but having a reliable air compressor in your vehicle changes everything. I've spent a lot of time looking at different models to find the ones that offer the greatest mix of speed, accuracy, and absolute convenience. Let us get right into it and look at the top choices available right now to keep your tires perfectly inflated. Product number 1. Astro-Eye Aeron L7. When you need something incredibly lightweight and efficient, this device truly stands out. I was amazed by its advanced screen, which updates pressure data 200 times per second to give you pinpoint accuracy. It is perfect for both beginners and seasoned drivers because it features an auto shutoff mechanism that stops exactly at your preset pressure. The built-in large-capacity battery provides enough juice to top off multiple tires on a single charge without breaking a sweat. Weighing just under a pound, it is incredibly easy to stash in your glove box, door pocket, or backpack. I also appreciate the thoughtful addition of a 3-mode flashlight, which comes in handy during sudden nighttime emergencies. It inflates standard car tires surprisingly fast for its size, making it a reliable companion for road trips and daily commutes alike.
Product number 2. Astro-Eye Aeron H. If you prefer a corded model that runs directly off your vehicle power, this option is an absolute powerhouse. I found the nearly 10-foot cord gives plenty of reach to access all 4 tires on most standard vehicles without any awkward stretching. The programmable inflation is extremely intuitive, allowing you to set the desired pressure and step back while it does all the hard work. It features unique internal technology constructed with integrated powder metallurgy, which greatly enhances the durability and extends the overall service life of the motor. I love the compact design because it remains unnoticeable when tucked away in your trunk, but delivers serious performance when you actually need it.
Product number 3. Airmoto Tire Inflator. This model has gained immense popularity for a very good reason, as it offers a sleek and highly pocketable design. I have noticed how well it handles a variety of tasks, from topping up car tires to inflating basketballs and bicycle tubes. It packs a powerful punch with precision accuracy up to 120 psi, ensuring your tires are always at the optimal level. The interface is clean and simple to navigate, with a large LCD screen that takes away all the typical frustration of reading analog gauges. I really like that the air hose stores neatly inside the unit itself, keeping everything organized and preventing misplaced parts. It has a built-in flashlight that provides great visibility when you are stuck on a dark shoulder.
Product number 4. DeWalt CC020IB. For those who already own power tools and demand heavy-duty performance, this unit is an absolute monster. I immediately appreciated its incredible versatility since it can be powered by a 20-volt battery, a 12-volt vehicle outlet, or a standard wall plug. The high-volume inflation and deflation modes make it incredibly useful for much more than just tires, like blowing up large air mattresses or rafts in seconds. I found the threaded chuck creates a very secure connection to the valve stem, which prevents annoying air leaks during operation. The heavy-duty rubber feet do an excellent job of reducing vibration and stopping the unit from walking across the pavement while it runs. It features convenient onboard accessory storage, so you never lose your needles or adapters. The rugged build quality is exactly what you would expect from such a renowned brand.
Product number 5. Lamicall VEHP02. This incredibly fast cordless inflator completely changes the game with an impressive airflow rate that drastically cuts down waiting times. I was blown away by its ability to push 35 liters per minute, which fills up standard tires much quicker than many competitors in this class. It provides 5 intuitive preset modes, making it incredibly simple to select the right setting for your car, motorcycle, or bicycle. The high-definition LED screen is wonderfully bright and displays both the current pressure and remaining battery life with crystal clear visibility. I love that the high-capacity rechargeable battery can handle numerous inflations on a single charge, making it completely reliable for long drives. It features an emergency light with SOS and strobe functions, adding a crucial layer of safety for nighttime breakdowns.
Thank you so much for joining me today to explore these fantastic tire inflators. I hope this breakdown helps you choose the perfect model to keep your vehicle fully prepared for any unexpected flat tires. Remember that having the right tool can completely transform a stressful emergency into a quick and easy fix. Drive safe out there, and I will see you in the next one.